Welcome back, Crammers, to question 17. Molly uses this number machine to work out the amount of tax that she has to pay on the money she earns. The number of hour works multiplied by 12, add 50, multiplied by 0.2, amount of tax to be paid in pounds. When Molly works n hours of tax, she has to pay T tax. Find the formula for T in terms of n. When you have to define something in terms of, that means the first value given is your answer, T is equal to, in terms of n. So something happens to n. Let's find out what that is. So here we can see that the number of hour work is n and amount of tax to be paid is t. So the formula is actually already given. T times 12, add 50, and multiply by 0.2 is equal to t. But we also have to follow bid math. Bid. What does that mean? That means multiplication comes first and then comes addition. So n times 12, then addition. So we get n times 12 plus 50 times 0.2. So 12 times n is simply 12n plus 50. And then we multiply that by 0.2, which is equal to t. We can then multiply everything inside the bracket by 0.2. So 12 times 0.2 is 2.4n. And 50 times 0.2 is 10. And this is equal to t. So that means our final formula is t is equal to 2.4n plus 10. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.